me. Reporting a dispute with the owner of a car he stole. Can anyone swing over?
10-4, copy. 1 Charles 13.
Got a suspect matching the description. Running through a parking lot west of Harris Boulevard. We'll advise you.
Reports coming in of disturbing the peace.
Copy
An
that.
unspecified
Moving right
situation
now.
is creating a public nuisance. Additional reports are being received. Stand by. 1830. Ten four. 1 Charles 13. Copy. On scene and all uptake has.
Go on! Fuck it. Yeah, what's cracking? Why don't I fall through later and show you? Tommy 1745. 1 Charles 13.
Attention all units. We have a tow truck driver on the line reporting excuse me, reporting a dispute with the owner of a car he's towing. Can anyone swing over there?
We have a silent residential alarm activation. Owner not on scene per alarm company. Please respond and advise us back as needed. 2335. Near Court Center on Jamestown Street. In Rancho.
Attention Palm Harbor units, just got a 911 call about a couple of kids dropping stuff off an overpass on Ocean Expressway. Caller said they ran off. Patrols in the area, please roll by.
We have an assault in progress at a residential location. Parties are still engaged. Officers respond with urgency.
West of,
Near the Jetsam shipping terminal, near Elysian Island.
Holding for K9 unit.
Copy, standby for plate return. 4-8. John Young, Tom 594. Looks like status is showing expired, unconfirmed date. Copy, standby for plate return. 80 Queen William Ocean. We have a request for a 1085 traffic assist. Plate is clear. No wants or warrants. All clear. On Abattoir Avenue, near Elysian Island. Copy. I have them staged around the corner. Should be rolling up now. Copy, all rowdy unit, your wing. Near Elysian Island.
Units be advised of a 1010 possible disturbance in a public area. A group of subjects is being loud and uncooperative, requesting units to investigate the situation.
On Buccaneer Way, near the terminal area. Ten 4. 1 Charles 13.
Jump the fence here. I think he might be heading your way. Wearing a red shirt.
Yep, I see him. I got him.
All units, stand by. We have reports of a medical emergency. Stand by for more details. Near Strawberry Carson Self-Storage on Covenant Avenue in Davis area.
Go back down, check it out again if you want.
Any local unit in here, we have a possible homicide reported. It's appearing to be gang related in the downtown area. Use caution on approach and advise on backup. 2042.
the Department of Water and Power.
On Jamestown Street. In Rancho. Respond code 2.
advise management to put the system on test.
Okay, roger that.
All units stand by for tone. Officer down, code 99, all units respond. Officer's last transmission cut off. Unconfirmed reports of a shooting. Need all available units to respond. 2215. Near South Los Santos, ring of fire.
Davis Avenue.
In Davis area. It's on code 3. Reports coming in of disturbing the peace. An unspecified situation is creating a public nuisance. Additional reports are being received. Stand by. 1830.
Wait up! Police! Stop whatever the hell you're doing! You're under arrest, you piece of crap!
Copy, all rowdy unit, your way. Near the pest control Elysian Island. Near Elysian Island.
Screw you! Thanks.
Ten 4 1950. 1 Charles 13. Code 4, copy that. 0752.
I got here oh man, this guy's taking way too long to pull over. I'm gonna take him off the road. Might need some backup. These vehicles are in.
Officer in need of assistance. Units responding to a high-risk traffic stop are requesting immediate backup.
South of, the Jet Sam shipping terminal, Buccaneer Way.
Near the terminal area.
I copy. Sending record now.
I'm on scene.
Ten 4. 1 Charles 13.
All units, signal 92 at 117. Complaint reference at 3387. Any member on Bathmore between Grand and Pine, please check in.
I got a kid here, he's crawling around.
Reports coming in of malicious damage to
Copy
property
that.
at a
Moving
commercial
right now.
establishment. If I can get you to head over and advise on situation, 1322.
44, I'm with him.
Copy, 44. 2 Henry 10, I'm gonna route you to backup.
Copy, show me en route.
2 Henry 10, copy. 1633. 522.
10-4 route.
Heading westbound direction. Dark blue, Dundreer, Regina, last reported in a sedan. On Buccaneer Way, near the terminal area. All units stand by. Heading west. On Buccaneer Way, near the terminal area. Last reported in a helicopter. I'll notify an air unit if needed. Copy, I'll get him in route.
Buccaneer Way.
Near the terminal area. Copy, I'll route a unit. On Buccaneer Way, near the terminal area. David, can I get your head over?
Copy, ETA about 1 minute.
David, copy. 1219.
All units be advised, I'm setting up another roadblock ahead of your position. He's around us! He's around us! He just got by! Vehicle still mobile!
Charles, 13, negative. Hit is not approved. Find a safer location. Charles, 13.
Copy, let's end it. Hits authorized.
Dispatch, you wrecked out stage EMS.
Copy, 1050, I'll stage EMS.
Suspects on foot.
Copy on foot. Heading east. Copy, suspects on foot. On Buccaneer Way, near the terminal area. Copy, threat is down. I'll stage EMS near your location. On Buccaneer Way, near the terminal area. Units, looks like we're all good on scene, thank you. Code 4, 1842. Medic 316, respond for an ALS trauma. Clear roll in from Southside.
Receive, we're en route from Southside.
Copy, Southside, 1635. Copy, I'll route a unit your way.
Buccaneer Way.
Near the terminal area.
This is 99. My screen just died on me, heading back to headquarters. Over.
Be straight. Hey, jackass, move, or I'm bringing you in.
Dispatch 118, can you give me an apartment number on that domestic disturbance call?
Hey, jackass, wanna get it?
The first apartment on the left, after the staircase, on the ground floor.
Roger that. I'm entering the building now.
10-4, a flatbed is en route to your location. Copy, I'll route a unit your way. On Buccaneer Way, near the terminal area.
you'll wish I hadn't. I've had it.
I got a tree branch down an alleyway here. It's not too big. Should be able to get it cleared up if someone helps.
Yeah, I could use some exercise. This gut's not getting any smaller. Here, send me your 20.
Received. Code 4, 1533.
This is 325 following up on that stolen workman.
Affirmative, sending a flatbed, Delphosh from the east side. Copy, all rowdy unit, your way. On Buccaneer Way, near the terminal area.
I got a store owner here. He's complaining about some loud banging coming from the building next door. I'm gonna investigate. Send him my 20.
Copy that, 1415. 1 Charles, 13. Copy, showing you code 4, 1812.
Unit 7-8, are you on the channel?
Yeah. I copy, dispatch.
2 code, 6 parties are approaching you 20. I need you to clear for code 3 pursuit.
I'm having a bit of engine trouble here.